Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. First step, open Messenger on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Now, click the three lines at the top left corner of your screen and go to Archives. Here, you might see conversations that you thought are already deleted, so this will save you time from downloading or recovering messages. If this doesn't work, go to a web browser on your phone and open your Facebook account. Press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and look for the settings icon. Once you've pressed settings, it will lead you to this page and you just have to scroll down until you see the Your Information page. Press Download Your Information and you'll see here a blue open button. Just press that and it will redirect you to this page. As you can see here, you can download your information, and when your file is ready, you'll have 4 days to download all of your information from this page. Just press Next, and here you can select the information that you want to download. You can either download a complete copy or select the specific ones that you want to download, just like your messages and so on. If you want to download others aside from your messages, just tick the check button. Once you're done choosing, just press Next and press Submit Request. You can also change the format, either HTML or JSON, and you can also change the media quality from high, medium, or low. You can also set the date range of the messages that you want to recover, either last week, last month, or you can also choose a custom date range. Once you're done choosing, just press Save and press Submit Request. Now the download is pending and it might take a few minutes or even a few hours for all of your information or messages to be recovered and downloaded. That's all for this video. Don't forget to press like and subscribe.